Hello, this is Maxi Limit. Today we are going to talk about the Asus ROG Ally. I've been using this device for 2 weeks already, and then I just want to give you an honest opinion and an honest review about this particular device, the pros and the cons that I faced, and whether I'm keeping this or not. Well, welcome. This is Maxi Limit. First thing we need to talk about is I did the unboxing of this particular device a few weeks ago, and then I'll be linking this video in the description down below or on the card somewhere here. So if you want to see the review or the unboxing of that part of this device, definitely go and do so. First thing we need to talk about, this is a fantastic device. I no doubt. I love the RGB light when you're playing in the nighttime. All the buttons are very good. Sometimes they're a little bit loud if you press them hard. I know that some people reporting that the button gets stuck in there when you are playing, but on my case, I don't have any problem with that. Particularly, I've been playing with this almost every day, and my daughter is playing with this also every time. And for the buttons, they are working fantastic. Okay, and then the joystick, they are also working fantastic. The good thing I like about this is the sound quality and the volume. This can get very loud, and I very like it. So what is wrong with this device then? Spoiler alert, I will definitely be returning mine, and I will let you know why. Personally, I love the device. Like I said, everything is working fine, but the only big problem that I have with this device is obviously the heat. Honestly, this is an oven. This can actually cook. And then the main fear I have about this is, I understand the device get hot because of performance, but when my screen gets extremely hot, that concerns me because it's gonna fry some component inside of that, and I really don't want that to happen. That's why that was the number one reason that I would definitely be returning this device. Also, the price tag on this device, I'm in Canada. For me particularly, it was about almost $1,000, which is a heavy price tag for a device or maybe a gaming device. I know this is also kind of a mobile computer. It's not really a tablet, but you can do everything you can do on the computer on it. And this has about 512 gigabytes of storage, which is very good and amazing. But again, except from the price, sometimes when I'm playing games, it will crash on me, or it's going to be very slow. And then if you are someone that just open a gaming console and definitely start playing with this Asus ROG Ally, well, it's not like that, because first thing you need to do, you need to definitely set up the computer, because we have an operating system on it, which is a Windows, I think Windows 11. And for me, it took about 20 to 30 minutes to set everything up and make all the updates. Then once that's done, you have to definitely do all the update. Then you have to download all the games. So you have to at least keep 1 hour aside if you want to be up to date before start playing, which is something that can take time. If you're not someone that's patient, this can definitely be an issue for you. For me, it was okay. I set everything up and I let it be. I just went. Even though you have a good internet connection, this can also take time, because updates, you have a restart, you have to restart it, and then all that all the time. But nevertheless, the quality of the device is amazing. Games play fantastic. Quality of the image is amazing, and the sound quality is perfect. Well, the only concern for me is the heat. So definitely I will be returning my particular device here. Let me know if you bought this and if you are enjoying your particular device, if whether you want to return it, or if your issue has been fixed. I know that Asus is aware of all the problem that's happening, and they recently issue an update on the BIOS to be able to make things smoothly, but I think it's still not working properly. So definitely you just need to make your own decision regarding this, whether you want to keep it or not. Well, That being said, I will be uninstalling everything on this particular device for myself, and definitely be putting back into the box, and bye bye. Maybe later on I could buy when they have a better update, and if that happen, I would definitely inform you in with another video. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching this quick video. This is Max Limit signing out.